Hello everyone, my name is Rivera, and I'm going to be talking about how to register for classes in grad school. Is there flexibility? The short answer is semi-flexible. Just like our being here, there is flexibility within a certain structure that is already in place. You can basically take other courses that are not related directly to your field, but you do have to meet a specific requirement of courses that are within your field. And this is usually determined in your plan of study. There are different plans of study. So the plan of study is basically the set courses that you need to follow to graduate, and these will vary depending on the degree. For non-thesis masters, you have more coursework than thesis masters, and and for non-thesis masters, including that, you have math and engineering courses that you have to take a certain number. For mechanical engineering, it's 30 credits total, and at least three have to be fully uh, math courses, or six, I believe. So it'll depend on the program that you are wanting to apply. Generally, for thesis masters, you have less coursework than non-thesis master because this also includes the research that you are performing for achieving that thesis. That will count as credits for your masters. And usually, in your POS for thesis masters or for PhD, you would take into consideration your research and the classes you want to focus on that help you understand your research better. And for Doctor of Philosophy, same thing. Thesis master, the only thing is you have more classes, and the number of classes that you have will depend if you came into the PhD with a master's or not. And they can like add credits from your master's to your PhD. In general, you would sit down with your advisory committee to determine what classes would be the best for you. Not to say you can't take extra classes, that may depend on your advisor's approval, but you do have to meet the classes required for your degree. In general, you can learn more about this by just searching POS in your desired department. Thank you.